How to recover deleted numbers on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari web application on your phone. Now type in iCloud.com in the search bar, and tap on the official website link. Tap the app's icon in the top right corner. A pop-up will appear and select Data Recovery from the menu. On the next screen, scroll down until you see the Restore Contacts section. You will be presented with a list of archives, each with a date and time it was created. Find an archive from a date before you deleted the contact and tap the Restore button next to it. A confirmation window will appear and tap Restore again to begin. The restoration will start, and once it's finished, a confirmation message will appear. Your restored contacts will then automatically sync to the Contacts app on your iPhone and any other devices connected to your Apple ID. Following these steps, you can easily recover deleted numbers on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.